What's going on, guys? Chris here with C4 Armory. I'm here with Seth from KCI. We're going to talk a little bit about the new magazines that they have coming out. Seth?
Yeah, so going off from last year, we released our 30-round polycarbonate magazine with an internal steel feed lip. It's been received very well, and this year, me being a long-range guy, going proned out with the 30-rounder is a little difficult, so this year we got the 21-round magazine.
Fantastic.
So definitely designated more for SPR, DMR kind of setup. 21-round capacity, so a lot of people ask why 21 and not just 20. You can do 20 plus 1, which is nice. The big reason I like it is because you can load it to 20 rounds and you have just enough give to seat on a closed bolt, zero issues, don't have to fight it.
That's outstanding. Yep, a lot of mags don't do that. You hit 30, you can't even seat your mag. It's falling out of your gun.
100%. And then still utilizing our patented internal steel feed lip design, toolless assembly, and then the other thing we're showing off here at SHOT is our transition to our high-vis purple followers.
I love them.
Our great flavor followers. Everyone kind of does a funky color, and I've always liked purple, so we just kind of went with it.
Nice.
And we'll be doing that for Glock, 1911, basically all of our SKUs, and eventually we'll go to a purple follower.
Nice.
Going on from there, the big thing everyone's talking about is our 100-round drum for 5.56 AKs. As we've kind of seen the last few years, there's been a big bump in 5.56 AKs because now steel case is almost as much as brass.
Yep.
And we decided to just go big off the get-go. Our 100-round betas is well known and loved, so why not do it for the AK platform? It will be shipped the same way as our current AR100, nice canvas bag with the loader, so it makes it nice and easy. This guy is still in prototype phase.
Right.
Expect kind of late Q3, Q4, but with the 21 round, early Q2.
Fantastic. And what's the going price going to be on these?
So on the drum, it's going to be the same as the AR100, so $200.
Okay.
And then on the 21 round, coming to $18 MSRP.
All right, fantastic. I appreciate your time. Thank you, guys. KCI, check them out.